Hi, Brother Purse. My name is Ashley Johnson. My birthday is June 19th. I'm originally from Cedar Rapids, Iowa, but I live in Rexburg now, full time. I have two siblings, a younger sister and a twin brother. I'm an elementary education major with a math education minor, and I'm considered a junior, but I have 4 semesters left after this. Um, I was called to serve in the Canada Montreal mission, but I came home from the MTC after 4 weeks. It was French speaking, so I did learn a lot of French. I've been married for almost 2 years. We have a 9-month-old daughter. Um, I think something really unique about me is that I was able to escort my mom through the temple for her endowments a week before I got sealed so that she would be able to be in the sealing room with us. And that was really, I think that's unique because a lot of people don't get to escort their parents through. Um, so far in this class, I've learned that there's a lot that I didn't realize that I didn't know, that I've only really learned like the major stories, and it's really interesting to learn like the smaller stories that really had a major impact. And so that's what I want to learn more about. And I think my strongest positive quality would be that I am good at connecting with people and like starting a conversation and finding things to talk about with really anyone. So yeah, that's a little about me.